You got 3 new letters. A K, an I, and an S. Start in the middle. Well, okay, watch me write it. It's okay. This is a new letter. So you go like this, and then you do like that. K's are tough. There you go. And then start, go right here, and then kind of do like this, and like this. Now go down. Angle down. Nope. Like this.
Like it's kicking out.
Okay, that's a tough letter, Mom.
Oh, I know, but I mean, if you think about like a leg kicking, you have to remember where to put it.
And come over here. Yep. All right, now go down just the same way you went up, except for you.
There you go.
Perfect. Now do your I. All right. Now do your D. You know how to do D's. All right. Now do your snaky S. That's, you do it upside down.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
I do it upside down.
Yeah, you do. I like it though.
It's kind of crazy like that.
It's kind of crazy like that.
Now let's do sand.
Sand?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think sand starts with? Sound it out.
Sand.
What letter sounds like?
What does that sound like? When you go, what does that sound like?
C.
Sounds like a snake, doesn't it?
C.
So what does
Close. What other letter could it be?
if it's what letter looks like a snake? S, exactly. So sand. S A N D. Sand. Oh, you already got your S. Okay. Now do. I love how he does his S's. Now do your A. And do your, okay. There you go. And do your N. You know how to do your N. Now do your D. Excellent. You're good, baby. You're good.
Let's do plane.
Plane. Okay.
That was kind of hard.
I've just got a couple more letters.